Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and you have completed your exams very well, your half-yearly exams very well. So before the half-yearly exam, we have completed till chapter 7 and today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 8, Animal Reproduction. So student, just before starting the chapter, first we should discuss about what is reproduction. So if we talk about the reproduction, I know you all have seen the small babies of different animals and your siblings also you have seen. So the small babies resemble their parents, and the process by which the living organism or the living beings able to produce more of their own kind or able to produce young ones of their own kind and resemble them is known as reproduction. So, the process by which living things produce more of their own kind, अपने ही जैसे young one को produce करना, this process is known as reproduction. And generally, student, what happens? Most of the young animals or young babies resemble their parent. They are similar to their parents. So, if we talk about the ways, the animal reproduce by two ways. Animal जो है वो two ways से reproduce करते हैं. First, by laying eggs, that they lay eggs, and by following the process of hatching, the young babies comes out from the eggs. So, and next is giving birth to young ones. Giving birth to small babies that are similar to the adult one, but there is difference in the size only. So the animals that lay eggs or that reproduce by laying eggs are known as oviparous animal. Oviparous animal or the egg-laying animal. We can use the term oviparous animal or the egg-laying animal for the animal that reproduce by laying eggs. Next is giving birth to young ones. So the animal that give birth to young ones of their own kind, we can use the term for that animal is known as viviparous animals. Viviparous animals. Next is the examples of animals that lay eggs are amphibians like frog, birds. Different birds also lay eggs. Then from the eggs, by following the process of hatching, the young ones or the young babies comes out. Aquatic animals like fishes, they also lay eggs. Insects, grasshopper, butterfly, and reptiles like snakes, they also lay eggs. They reproduce by laying eggs. First they lay eggs and they keep the eggs at a warm place or keep the eggs warm by sitting on them. So then from these eggs, after maturation of the eggs, the small babies comes out from the egg. So next is animals lay eggs and keep them at warm places. Animals जो होते हैं they lay eggs and keep them at warm places, or the parent sits on them to keep them warm. To incubate the eggs, to keep them warm, the parent sits on them, and from this, when the eggs get mature, the small babies comes out. So this is about how the animals reproduce in two ways, first by laying eggs and first by giving birth to the small babies or giving birth to the young ones of their own kind. So student, next we are discussing about the egg-laying animals. So in this we will continue about parts of egg. What are the different parts of egg? So it is the main parts of egg are eggshell, the outermost covering of the egg. Second is the albumen and third is the yolk. So in this you can see in the diagram which is given in your book also that eggshell, it is the hard and thin protective covering. Outermost covering जो होती है egg की which is known as eggshell, जो white कलर का आपको structure दिखाई दे रहा है egg में, that is known as the eggshell, which is hard and thin protective covering and it protects the embryo. Embryo को protection provide करता है. Next to it, if you move inside the eggshell, there is a layer which is known as albumen. And albumen is a white jelly-like substance which is also known as egg white, and it is rich in proteins. There are about 214 proteins present in albumen. Albumen में ही 40 different types के proteins present होते हैं. Next, if we move inside the albumen, there is a yellow color substance which is known as yolk. And yolk, it is rich in fats, vitamins and minerals. And this yolk provides the nourishment or food to the growing embryo. Next, if we talk about the embryo, if the embryo grows from its embryo stage to the adult, the embryo undergoes many development changes till it grows into a chick. जब वो एम्ब्रियो से चिक में डेवलप होता है, बहुत सारे डेवलपमेंटल चेंजेस होते हैं उसके अंदर that are followed by the chick. And the fully grown chicks breaks the egg and comes out in 21 days. About 21 days लगते हैं एक fully grown जो चिक होता है उसको एग को ब्रेक करने में, fully grown होने में, and when it grows into a complete one, it breaks the egg and the small chicks comes out from the egg. And this process is known as hatching. So in this process of complete development of embryo to the adult one, this process is known as life cycle of an organism. And in this chapter or our next class, we will discuss about the life cycles of different animals. So this is all about your today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.